studying your last two. I swim med tea when they turned in. The staring down to mute. And can learn the pole that sunk he died.
Now, let's begin our discussion of Schedule 7, which is used to report RRSP activity during the tax year. RRSP stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. It is one of the most popular retirement savings programs in Canada because it helps individuals save for the future while also providing valuable tax advantages today. The journey shown in the center of the slide illustrates how an RRSP works. First, you earn employment or self-employment income. Next, you contribute some of that money into your RRSP account. Those investments have the opportunity to grow over time, helping you build retirement savings. Finally, eligible RRSP deductions can reduce your taxable income, which may lower the amount of tax you pay or increase your tax refund. One important concept to understand is the difference between an RRSP contribution and an RRSP deduction. A contribution simply means depositing money into your RRSP account. A deduction is the amount of those contributions that you choose to claim on your tax return to reduce your taxable income. These two terms are closely related, but they are not always the same. Making a contribution does not automatically mean you must deduct it in the same tax year. Depending on your financial situation and available deduction limit, you may choose to carry forward some or all of your eligible contributions and claim the deduction in a future year when it provides a greater tax benefit. This is where Schedule 7 becomes important. It records your RRSP contributions, calculates the deduction you are claiming for the current year, tracks any transfers, and keeps track of unused contributions that may be carried forward to future tax years. As shown in the information cards at the bottom of the slide, the RRSP is a long-term retirement savings plan. Contributions represent money deposited into the account. Deductions reduce taxable income. And Schedule 7 serves as the worksheet that organizes all of this activity. As a tax preparer, your first responsibility is to collect all RRSP contribution receipts and understand your client's contribution history. Once accurate information has been entered into certified tax software, Schedule 7 helps ensure that RRSP deductions are calculated correctly while preserving any unused contributions for future years. Understanding the distinction between contributing and deducting is one of the most important concepts in Canadian personal income tax preparation. Now let's see how Schedule 7 determines the RRSP deduction that appears on a taxpayer's income tax return. The process begins when a taxpayer earns employment or self-employment income during the year. Based on their earned income and other CRA rules, they have a certain amount of RRSP contribution room available. The next step is making an RRSP contribution. Whenever money is deposited into an RRSP account, the financial institution issues an RRSP contribution receipt. These receipts become the primary documents used during tax preparation and must be retained as supporting records. After collecting the receipts, the contributions are reported on Schedule 7. However, Schedule 7 does much more than simply list contribution amounts. It also reviews the taxpayer's available deduction limit, any unused contributions carried forward from previous years, and certain RRSP transfers that may affect the calculation. Once all of this information has been entered, certified tax software automatically determines how much of the available contributions will be claimed as an RRSP deduction for the current year. That deduction is then transferred to the T1 general return, where it reduces the taxpayer's taxable income. Reducing taxable income often leads to lower income tax payable and may result in a larger tax refund. That's why RRSP deductions are considered one of the most valuable tax planning tools available to Canadian taxpayers. An important feature of Schedule 7 is the ability to carry forward unused contributions. As shown on the right side of the slide, not every RRSP contribution has to be deducted immediately. If claiming the deduction this year does not provide the greatest tax advantage, the taxpayer may choose to carry forward eligible unused contributions and claim them in a future year when their income is higher and the tax savings could be greater. There are 3 key points to remember. First, contribution room is determined according to CRA rules and must always be verified before claiming deductions. Second, unused contributions can generally be carried forward to future years if they are not deducted immediately. And third, making a contribution and claiming a deduction are 2 separate decisions. As a tax preparer, your responsibility is to collect every RRSP receipt, verify the contribution period and deduction limit, review any carry-forward amounts from previous years, and ensure that Schedule 7 has been completed correctly, while certified tax software performs the calculations automatically. Accurate data entry and careful review are essential to ensure the client receives the maximum tax benefit they are entitled to claim. Now let's look at how Schedule 7 is completed in a professional tax preparation office using certified tax software. The process begins by gathering all of the client's RRSP documents. These typically include RRSP contribution receipts issued by financial institutions, the client's notice of assessment from the Canada Revenue Agency, information about available deduction room, any unused contributions carried forward from previous years, and documents relating to RRSP transfers if applicable. After collecting these documents, the tax preparer enters the information into certified tax software. This is where Schedule 7 is created automatically. The software records all RRSP contributions, determines the available deduction limit, identifies any unused contributions from previous years, processes eligible transfers, and calculates how much of the available contributions will be deducted for the current tax year. Once these calculations are complete, the RRSP deduction is automatically transferred to the taxpayer's T1 general return. Because RRSP deductions reduce taxable income, they often lower the amount of income tax payable and may increase the taxpayer's refund. Although the software performs all of the mathematical calculations automatically, it cannot determine whether the information entered is correct. That responsibility belongs to the tax preparer. Before filing the return, always review every RRSP contribution receipt. Verify that each contribution has been entered in the correct contribution period. Confirm the available deduction limit shown on the notice of assessment. Review any unused contributions carried forward from previous years, and ensure that any RRSP transfers have been entered correctly. There are also several common mistakes to avoid. Missing an RRSP receipt means the taxpayer may lose a valuable deduction. Entering a contribution in the wrong tax year can produce incorrect calculations. Claiming more than the available deduction limit may create an over-contribution issue. Ignoring unused contributions carried forward from previous years can result in missed tax savings. And incorrectly reporting RRSP transfers may affect the accuracy of Schedule 7. A simple final checklist helps ensure accuracy. Confirm that all RRSP receipts have been collected. Verify contribution dates. Review the deduction limit. Check any carry-forward amounts. Ensure Schedule 7 has been generated correctly. And verify that the RRSP deduction has been transferred to the T1 general return. The most important lesson is this: Schedule 7 is designed to organize and calculate all RRSP activity for the tax year. Certified tax software performs the calculations automatically, but it relies entirely on the accuracy of the information you provide. As a professional tax preparer, your responsibility is to collect complete documentation, enter every detail accurately, review the calculations carefully, and ensure that your client receives every RRSP deduction they are entitled to claim.